Perched on a top of a cliff, in the middle of a valley, about 100 kilometers north of Rome, is the stunning town of Civita di Bagnoregio. So far, it has survived for some 3,000 years, but now the town is fighting not to die. It may look like a postcard-perfect central Italian location, but its survival up until now is nothing short of a miracle. Civita di Bagnoregio has been under threat from landslides and erosions ever since it was founded by the Etruscans for military reasons between 600 to 280 BC. Even though there is debate over his date, as some scholars believe the construction of the settlement on top of what would have been a rounded hillock at the time was even earlier. The main problem of Banya-reg-io being its faltering foundations made up from a pretty unstable mix of clay and tufo, volcanic rock. Unfortunately, the medieval town has earned the rather unsettling title of the dying town. But the residents say their survival up until now has been down to the determination of townsfolk.
La parola che ci siamo dati d'ordine è quella della resilienza, perché Civita nasce dagli Etruschi, attraversa i Romani e tutto il periodo medievale per arrivare ai giorni nostri. Chiaramente la grande fragilità di questo posto, il grande problema è quello lì della sua conformazione morfologica, geomorfologica, e quindi chiaramente la rupe fatta di argilla e di tufo, soggetta sempre agli agenti atmosferici, la pioggia, i venti, l'hanno cambiata totalmente dal punto di vista dell'aspetto in questi anni.
Since the Etruscan era, the town has progressively reduced to around a third of its original size due to erosion and with a bit of help from earthquakes and landslides that chipped away at its volcanic rock mountain sides. It is now 152 meters long and 91 meters wide and only accessible by foot via 300-meter long bridge. There was once a large inland sea in the area, which disappeared a million years ago and left behind marine clay, which make up the lower layer of Civita's cliff and the surrounding mountains known as Calanchi. A volcano was formed and began erupting some 590,000 years ago. The lava and ash from more than 400,000 years of eruption formed a plateau of tufo rocks which layered above the soft clay. The rapid evolution of the landscape formed the steep slopes of the surrounding mountains, known as Valle dei Calanchi, the Valley of Badlands. The town has also had to deal with other problems. During the Second World War, it was occupied by Germans who tore down the bridge. The footbridge was rebuilt in 1965. Since the year 2000, the townsfolk have picked up their battle to save their home and safeguard it from at least the natural phenomena. And so far it has worked. It is all thanks to 7 structural wells that have been built underground around the city's edge, with hundreds of steel rods attached to the rock of the cliff to keep it from collapsing. Above ground, there is a so-called extensometer steel rod that detects any movement, big or small, of the cliff. If part of the rod has moved, it means there has been some sort of erosion or landslide activity. Geologists said that other Civita-like cliffs that had never been inhabited have now totally disappeared. If its residents had not been so resilient, perhaps Civita would be long gone by now, even if it is just a fraction of what it once was.
Allora, questo è il cuore dei lavori, il cuore di Civita. Come vedete intorno siamo circondati da tutte queste spaccature della roccia, praticamente perché sul bordo della città, diciamo, questa roccia tende proprio a spaccarsi così, e è tenuta tutta questa massa più o meno spaccata, che naturalmente viene giù sul bordo, è tenuta insieme dai pozzi e questi tiranti che, proprio come degli stop interni a un muro, trattengono. Civita di Bagnoregio è a rischio per molti fenomeni naturali, possono essere riassunti in una sola parola: le frane. Quindi abbiamo diversi tipi di frane, sia sotto Civita di Bagnoregio che frane che interessano la città, la Rupe, e questa condizione è data dalla particolare composizione geologica dei terreni. Diciamo. Immaginiamo che 3000 anni fa, quando qui arriva la civiltà etrusca, Civita non è una rupe come oggi, ma è una grande collina, forse 3 volte più grande di oggi. In questi secoli, in questi 3 millenni, abbiamo avuto un'erosione regressiva che ci ha praticamente ridotto a un nucleo, che è la piazza e poche altre strade intorno.
And then along came the coronavirus pandemic. Freedom of movement between and within regions of Italy is still banned, and with zero foreign tourists, there is very little activity. The village for now, during strict lockdowns, has become a ghost town, with only the sound of the church bells filling its quaint cobbled streets. The number of permanent residents fluctuates between 10 to 14 depending on the season, and with no pharmacy, post office or supermarket, they have to trek down the bridge to the village of Banya-reg-io to carry out their affairs. It may come as surprise that the stunning landmark was not a big tourist attraction until it began charging a 1.5 euro entry fee to visitors in 2013, grabbing the media's attention and an onslaught of visitors. The fee has since increased to 5 euros and helps fund the interventions and monitoring system that help keep the village on its feet. It also means residents don't have to pay municipal taxes.
Lì siamo partiti da 40.000 turisti del 2009 e siamo arrivati a oltre 1 milione del 2019. Chiaramente questo ha portato enormi benefici economici, l'apertura di tante attività e quindi dei posti di lavoro. L'arrivo della pandemia nel 2020, nel marzo del 2020, chiaramente ci ha costretti nel lockdown a chiudere la biglietteria ed avere anche grandi problemi nei bilanci del comune, perché comunque sia i 5 euro di ingresso al paese permettono di fare interventi qui e anche di dare, diciamo, dei privilegi ai nostri cittadini. Bagnoregio.
Before coronavirus, half of visitors per year were Italian and half were foreigners. 20% were from Asia and 7% from the United States, countries that have been unable to travel to Italy for over a year. Luckily, last summer, when coronavirus restrictions were loosened, the town had its usual number of visitors, boosted by Italian tourism. When the region around Civita and Rome has been a yellow zone with less restrictions, regional residents have flocked to the town. It is for this reason the local mayor is hopeful the town will survive. But a 29-year-old owner of one of the town's 11 eateries has been particularly unlucky. He has managed the Wishing Well restaurant near the entrance of the town for 5 years before taking the plunge to buy it in March 2020. Then almost immediately lockdown.
Dal punto di vista lavorativo abbiamo avuto un impatto abbastanza importante, perché comunque io ho gestito questo locale per 5 anni e ho deciso poi di comprarlo a marzo 2020, quindi diciamo che le tempistiche non sono state proprio eccezionali, perché appena comprato il locale siamo stati subito costretti a chiudere, quindi
The unfortunate timing of his purchase and a year of mostly being closed has been a tough headache on top of underlying anxiety of owning a business on a fragile cliff.
E chiaramente il rischio ambientale è preoccupante, la storia di Civita la conosciamo tutti quanti, e quindi speriamo di non dover affrontare dopo il Covid almeno questo rischio, diciamo, per un po' d'anni. Speriamo per tanti anni che tutti se la possano godere il più a lungo possibile, ecco.
Civita di Bagnoregio and the surrounding valley are candidate to become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The mayor's spokesman said Italy submitted the heritage site proposal in January and expects UNESCO to decide in June next year. The hope their application will be successful, shining a spotlight on the teeny medieval village's story of survival and helping it to live as long as possible.